This video will explore the mechanics of electric propulsion and how electric vehicles, or EVs, work. The Vehicle Paradigm Matrix compares different types of vehicles. Battery electric vehicles, or BEVs, use only a battery for power and have zero tailpipe emissions. Unlike other vehicle types, BEVs use AC and DC grid charging. The electric vehicle anatomy shows the flow of energy. The grid supplies power to the battery, which stores the energy. The inverter then converts the current to power the motor, creating motion. The traction battery pack stores electrical energy using lithium-ion cells and provides direct current, or DC. Its flat design helps improve vehicle balance. The grid supplies alternating current, or AC, power. The onboard charger takes this AC power and converts it into DC power, which the battery then stores. There are different charging tiers. Level 1 uses 120 volts AC and adds 2 to 5 miles per hour. Level 2 uses 240 volts AC and adds 20 to 40 miles per hour. DC fast charging, or DCFC, uses 480 volts plus DC and can add 80% charge in 30 minutes, bypassing the onboard charger. The power inverter is crucial. Since the battery outputs DC power and the motor needs AC power, the inverter changes the DC power into AC power. It also controls motor speed. The electric traction motor works in 4 steps. Electricity enters the stator, creating a magnetic field. This field spins the rotor, which turns the wheels. The power electronics controller is the system's brain. It manages electrical flow, monitors battery health, and dictates motor torque. The thermal management system is vital for safety. Batteries and motors generate heat, so the thermal system circulates coolant to maintain safe operating temperatures. Regenerative braking works as a closed loop. When the driver releases the accelerator, the motor acts as a generator. The braking creates kinetic energy, the inverter converts it, and the battery regains charge. The car uses an auxiliary 12-volt battery for lights, screens, and computers. The DC-DC converter steps down the high voltage from the main battery to charge the 12-volt battery. Regarding the environmental life cycle, EV manufacturing and battery production create an initial carbon debt. However, EVs eliminate tailpipe emissions, and their electric efficiency helps offset this carbon debt over their lifetime. The grid's power source ultimately determines the total cleanliness. The complete energy flow starts with the grid supplying AC power. The charger converts AC to DC for the battery. The inverter then converts DC back to AC for the motor. Motion is turned into DC during regenerative braking. The electric future sees EVs replacing mechanical complexity with electrical efficiency. Inverters and controllers manage the power flow, while batteries and motors drive the future of transportation.